guys, it's Lauv. I just got off work and I'm driving home. Just putting together a video that I edited in the car today of all the DIY mods that I've done to my car since I bought it, and it happened right after I bought it. So you're gonna see some changes. It's gonna cover a lot of ground, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so we got the grills off the front. And we're gonna take these and kind of clean them off pretty good, rinse them off for now, and set for a bit. Just doing some mods on the 2007 BMW 335i. Today we took off the diverter pipe from the charge pipe and put on this 7 1/8 inch doorknob, just like a little doorstop for the bottom of a chair. Puts it on there, and they call it the $3 blow off valve mod, and that will give you the turbo sound when you're shifting. Makes a blow-off valve instead of a diverter. And we're gonna try to paint the trim here. Get rid of the chrome, just to match it all with gloss black. And then we'll do some exhaust sounds. All right, guys, what we got here is the Golf Tee mod. This right here, you just disconnect from this part of this muffler right here, and just put a Golf Tee in it. And then you can either zip tie it up, or what I've done is just hide it underneath and back under here. And that is it. Get painting here, so hopefully you enjoy this, and you can do your trim the same way someday if you want. All right. Alright guys, so here's the final result. Got the black trim, no more gloss. Guys, if you can, leave some comments, like and subscribe, and always remember, we are Legion.